pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello everyone, it is Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, hi my gems. I have the box by Fashionsta unboxing for you guys today. When I got this box, it was $19.99 and I still pay that price, but it has went up to $25, which happened I think over a year ago. And you get like six items, I want to say, and they give you a card. This is what the box looks like. It has basically traveled around the world and didn't get to me too late. Usually I get it around this time. This is what the inside looks like. It says "Be Beautiful" on the card. The card has prices and information about the products. I love that. It tells you the total box value and everything. And there's 6 items in here. So let's see what we got. The first thing I see is Lovemydolphinz, which is a good brand. Inspired by nature, evening primrose seed, sea buckthorn, and pumpkin seed. Age Ouai hydrating cream. Okay. Here it is here. Let's open it up. These are all vegan and cruelty free, by the way. Okay, so I actually have this product. It is a moisturizer, and it's not a real thick moisturizer, but it's not real thin either. I don't want to open it because I have it, and I honestly barely use it. I really need to go through my skincare. Do you guys use this brand? Let me know. I'm going to go ahead, let me see, $55. I'm going to put this aside, and we're going to see what else is in here. Okay, I see something called Cutie Oils. MIA, help restore brittle nails back to health. Oh wow, okay, so this has got coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, which I have no idea what that is, and jojoba oil. Okay. Oh, it's got a applicator right here. So I guess you would apply this just like you would, you know, a nail polish, except for it's for your cuticles. It has a $22 value. Let me just go ahead and put some on my nail and see what it does. It doesn't really have a scent to it. It just makes it shiny. And I'm sure it's just to keep it from getting hangnails. So, okay, not bad. Let's see what is next. I see floss. Oh my gosh, tell me they're getting this again. Floss Beauty Lip Advocate, $18. A sheer lip tint formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. Use it alone or over color. Here it is here. Let's see. It's got a really light tint to it. You can see it right here. Okay, not bad. Always can use lip stuff. Kind of tired of getting lip stuff, but it's okay, to be honest with you. That one's not too bad. It's got a different applicator to it. It's not really sticky or anything like that, so I'll probably be more likely to use that one. Okay, next thing I see is Nuria Defend Skin Shielding Essence, $36 value. Formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin's natural defenses. Oh, okay. Let's check her out. She's sealed. I love a seal on it. Let's see. Ooh, I like the packaging. Skin Shielding Essence, Defend. Apply to face and neck, used by itself or under a moisturizer. So this would be like a serum. You would use it as like a treatment. Let's go ahead and check out the pump. So it comes out just like a gel. So it's a serum. Smells pretty good, nothing heavy, no heavy scent. That I love, absolutely. Okay, let's put that aside, because really I like things that smell good, but at the same time they're not very good for you. You know, had to have a fragrant in your product. Okay, this I'm really excited for. Makeup Geek. I have been wanting to try their eyeliners. This is their purple eyeliner. It's $7. I wonder if they still have these, or if this was before their rebrand. I don't know. It says it's waterproof and transfer proof. Okay, that'll work for me. Let's pull it out. It's my favorite color. It's purple. Here's what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, I like it. It's creamy and pigmented. Yes, thank you. And it's actually like got a small applicator, and it's not a real big crayon or anything, so it definitely works for precise. Yeah, for sure. Precision, definitely. Okay, let's see. What do I have left? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, yeah. So the last thing that I have is an Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I do like this brand. I have used their eyeshadows before. Let's open it up. Ooh, guys, look at this. Do you see that? That is crazy. Wow. This is a really warm palette, mostly. They've got a few. For the most part, it's warm. I am liking this, though. Look at, I don't want to swatch it because I've got so many. I mean, I can do a look with it if you guys want me to, but I'd almost rather do a giveaway. I mean, look at the summery colors in here. Isn't that pretty? And I definitely know that a lot of my gems could use this. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a giveaway with this. It's got a palette. Did I tell you the value? $35. I'm pretty sure I said that. But overall, I really just like to bless one of you guys with it. So I hope that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put this back, and we're going to do a recap. So we got the Ace Beauty palette. I love it when we get palettes. Love it, love it, love it. And then we got the Makeup Geek liner. Then we got the cuticle oil, the serum, the moisturizer, and the tinted lip balm. Let me tell you what the total value is, $173. Guys, I have to say, it's definitely worth the 25 bucks. I really haven't been disappointed at all, I don't think, with the box by Fashionsta. It does come every month. I haven't really had any issues with shipping. Sometimes it comes a little bit later, but they don't like ship out until the 20th of each month. And what is it, the 23rd today? So that's not bad. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And if you want to be entered into the giveaway, if you could just like this video and comment down below, enter me, then that'll do it. And then what I'll do is this giveaway will go on for the time this video uploads until the date down in the description box below. And then a random picker will choose a winner for me. You got to be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission for this. And the official rules that YouTube wants us to let you guys know about will be in the description box below. So good luck, guys, and I'll see you really soon in another video. Bye!